Hello guys. Uh, this is the project that have been made by me, Ankit Pahuja, and I use the search and Chinmay Kumar Bansal, of third year in NIT University in the year 2017. So we have prepared a website for TEDx NIT University. That's an event that's gonna happen in January 2018. This particular video is about the product, describing this product, how you can navigate it, and how easy it is to use it. In the navigation bar, we have got 4 or 5 menu options that you could see very clearly. And for about we have information about the event. So that's the precipice is our theme for the event, TEDx NIT University. Then you see a countdown that lets organizers know we have got 57 days and so forth. They could do work in the time remaining and get the event successfully done. So we have this form, sign up for an event. So it is from the marketing side of view, it is very important to have uh, to grab customers and turn them into to turn the visitors into sales. So this is very important. So we need their information, right, to get so few payments from them. So we for the same reason we have buy tickets highlighted, and we have sign up for our event block ready for the customers who are interested, for the visitors who are interested. So they turn into customers and they type in their information, we have their information, then we get hold on them. So apart from let's restrict ourselves described in the describing this product. So we then have TED about TEDx and so forth about TEDx and IT University. This is all in the about section. So when you click on about, you get uh, placed in this part of the page. So then we have speakers. So when you click on speakers, you get redirected to this part of the page. um, Meet our valuable speakers will be giving 10-minute sessions on different subjects. So this is just an intro. Talking about every speaker, basically let me please tell you that these are not the speakers as who will be coming for TEDx and NIT University. We do not have uh, a dedicated decided list of speakers as of now. So we do not have legit information on the website. So these are basically characters who are popping up. So for a speaker, we'll have the name here, we'll have a little of bio, and then we have a link to their profile. Also we'll have Facebook, Twitter links, so that you could get hold on their personal lives, or seek more information about them, so that you'll enjoy, you'll be prepared when you're coming for the event. So this will happen for every other speaker that we have. So when you hover over the image, you'll be able to get hold on them on their social media or so. When you click on the image, you have their name, you have their you know information about them, more information that they want to supply, and why you should be interested in listening to them. So you could close this model using this close button, or you could close it using this crossbar, or you could close it by clicking anywhere on the site apart from the model. So this happens for every other image that you see here on this web page. Now talking of contact, so when you click on this menu button contact, you get redirected to this part of the page. You'll be able to get directions to how to reach NIT University using this click view map, and then you'll be able to again send some information or message that you want to convey to the team NIT TEDx and NIT University. So you could write down and you could send a message that would again be stored in the database that we have created. So yes, this is the event. These are the links to our Facebook, Google Plus, Twitter pages, which are very active. And so this independent TEDx event is operated and a license from TED, designed and maintained by Ankit Pahuja and team. They do not have their portfolio as of now, so I have just written my name. So we have I use the Saj and Chinmay Kumar Bansal again for the maintenance and development of this site. So yes, so this is about the first static page for the product. We do not have a payment gateway. So once we have a payment gateway, we'll be able to get to link this buy tickets to another page where we could securely take payments from our visitors for the event TEDx and IT University. So Now, one more thing that we have is blog. So this is very prominent part of our product. Why, we'll tell you. So right now I'm logged in as an administrator in WordPress. So this is basically, we have designed a theme for WordPress that's enabled by WordPress, and you know, to become active on WordPress using a CMS is very easy for anybody. So we wanted to create a product wherein, you know, we could just create it once and it could be reused again and again by anybody, not a developer. They don't require a developer for maintenance of the product. So if they want to push up a blog, or you know, publish a blog, so they don't require a developer to do that. Okay, so what happens is, this is the logo. Again, these are some navigations, homes. We'll see what happens on clicking these buttons. Biotech again is not having any link because we do not have a payment gateway ready. From that's what organizer will do, and we'll just link it. That's just a minute's task. Then we have blog posts. This is again given by administrator, who's me. And then we have some information or excerpt from the blog. Then we have the image here, and then these are various blog posts by one of the content writers, Deepak Atreja, who's also in the TED team. Then the main thing is that I wanted to show is the search. So whenever you write precipice or any other search term, so you get to see uh, in every article that has this term will pop up. So whenever you see, so we have searched for the term precipice, and these are the results. So it includes the precipice, so it has popped up. Sunset includes the precipice somewhere here. Yeah, so it's here. So it includes the precipice, so it's here. Also, apart from the search option, we have integrated our Twitter's page to uh, increase interactability. And mind you, whatever you see active users right now, page views is 8, bounce rate is 50%. We are logged in as an administrator, so we are seeing such results. So it's great to receive 8 page views. That's for today. So that's great. So I think I've in you know gone into the analytics part, so I don't think we require this as of now. Okay, so here we left off, so we are back on the page. And so this is what is about uh, the blog again. And so this is the complete product. So when you click on home, you get back redirected to the main page, TEDxNIITuniversity. So this is our product, and this is what we have created for also under the subject CS372 that's offered in NIT University. That's software engineering, where the mentor is Sir Amit Kumar, who's teaching us, who's the course in charge. And we have a project evaluation. So under that, we would like to put this and um, get graded on that. So thank you so much for your time, and follow this forward for the feedback from two of our faculties. That's included in in additional part of this video. Thank you. So hello, I'm with Arvind sir, and we are here for a feedback for our product TEDxNIIT University that I have prepared for the project under the subject software engineering. So as I have shown you the product, so I would like to know your feedback, valuable feedback. How can we improve? How was the navigation? So maybe we could start with a little bit of it. So,
So in this website you have so many links about blog speaker. So that should be very easily accessible, and I think that is easily accessible. So in that part I am feeling that all this data information whatever you have in that site, that is properly organized and easily accessible. So many interlinks are there also, TEDx University and IIT University chapter. So blog is also there, and now you are trying to add some speaker name here, right? So I think that will be done with the time.
Yeah, yeah. As soon as the speakers are finalized and we are decided that yes, these people are coming for as you know, they are coming for speaking at the event. So as soon as we get the confirmation from the organizer, we'll put that in the website.
Okay. So nice. That information will be updated.
Hmm. Yes. So, how did you find the navigation? Did you find it easy to use? Like when you are scrolling and when you are clicking on links, are all the links accessible? And do you find this as a complete product or not?
Yeah, this is a good website. So many links are there, so many tabs are there in the main page, and from that main page, we can navigate to any different required data. Right. Database like blog, speaker. I think in this speaker tab, okay, that is organized very properly. Data is available properly. And so one more problem arises when you use websites that people tend to open the website and they bounce back just because the website speed is very slow. So do you encounter such problem with the website, or do you find it's very quick and you are just getting to things very quickly? No, it's fine. Website speed is fine. The moment you are typing your website name in the things, so I'm getting the website in a minute or in a second. So yeah, speed is not a problem here. I feel like that. And I think you can do that things. You can add some external links so that we can get various update about the various activity of TEDx worldwide. So that you can. Also, maybe we can include certain talks of TEDx that is happening around the globe. Previous talk of TEDx, TEDx talk. So that link can be added. So other than this, I feel it's very proper and well organized. All the data is readily accessible. Sir, also contacts, road view maps is also there. So also on the phone, if you find this website, it is very responsive. That the way it looks on, because obviously the screen size of the machine and the screen size of the mobile phone is different. So in that case, when you browse it on the mobile phone, as 50-60% of the websites are scrolled over device nowadays, because we want to look into our phones rather than opening a laptop. So if you look at in the mobile phone, then you also find it very responsive. Things are not going out or bulging out of the screen, and you find it very clearly. So if you feel like browsing it for a minute or so and then giving feedback as to how responsive our website is and how can things be grateful when possible visitors who will be turning into customers later uh, would browse, and because we obviously want to sell our tickets. Also taking care of the resolutions of that screen, and accordingly you have configured your total design. Yeah. So basically, for some of you websites, you need to scroll the things right. Left to right or up to down. So, but that problem is not here in that particular website. Fine, that is a good job. So menu option is also there. So from that menu option, you can navigate your various sub menu or tabs like your desktop. That is also fine. All the links are available, working properly. So done. That means I think this is very effective and proper design, and you can use that particular site in your desktop effectively as well as in your mobile. Right. In that resolutions. And sir, since there are about 57 to 58 days left in the event, so do you think that this product was built in time? Obviously, I think that, but what do you feel about it? Like, it's built in time, and we are ready to roll with the website, and we are already ahead of time. Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Not a problem. Yeah. I think that particular things, something is missing. That information, that links, that will be added with the. Yeah, as soon as they give us information, we'll put it in the website. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so other than this, everything is fine. Okay, so thank you so much for the feedback. It was great talking. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you, sir.